Do you want to know how I was able to double my revenue this month during the coronavirus outbreak? I have been in quarantine or shelter in place for a little over a week now. I'm in New York, so the outbreak here is terrible, right? But I still have been able to grow my business. And I've spoken to so many entrepreneurs that are either just getting started or they're so scared of what's happening that they're ready to throw in the towel. And so I'm making this video today to show you the exact steps that I took to be able to double my agency's revenue in the last month alone. So you can utilize these strategies to help grow your own business, whether it's a service-based business or a coaching business, whatever it is. I wholeheartedly believe that you can grow it, and now's the time. Even if you were used to doing one-on-one or in-person training and now you need to take it online, this is going to be amazing for your business if you take this time right now and use these strategies to make your business more efficient and more effective. Rather than having to go in and with people one-on-one, you can get so much more done. You can do group coaching now. There's so many opportunities. So in today's video, that's exactly what we will be talking about. My name is Lucy Vincent. I've owned an agency for the last 2.5 years, and I have seen the most amount of growth in my business in this time. So if you're feeling lost or nervous and you don't know how to move forward in this time, we all are. And so I wanted to give you some incredible tips that have allowed me to double my agency this month alone. Also, one last thing, I come out with new videos every Tuesday on all things entrepreneurship, marketing, and mindset. So make sure to hit the beautiful red subscribe button right below this video to get notified next time I post. Going into the beginning of the year, I was repositioning my agency, and I had let go of a lot of my pre-existing clients, and I was, feeling it. I felt like I'd put myself through a mini recession because I was repositioning and realigning with my vision, which proved to be super successful because I have seen the most amount of growth in my agency the last 2 months because I was aligned. So make sure, first and foremost, that you are serving somebody that you're absolutely in love with. My ideal client are purpose-driven female entrepreneurs that really want to make a huge impact on the world and improve the world. And that's what gets me out of bed every morning, even while a lot of people are home having fun during the day, watching TV or doing whatever. I'm working, and I'm so excited to be working because I truly love my ideal client. And that took a lot of time. When I first started my agency, I was taking on clients who are anyone and everyone basically, and that was so draining. There were some clients that I was like, ugh, I do not want to get on a call with them right now. Instead, now I'm so excited to get on a phone call with my ideal client and my existing clients because I took the time to get really, really clear on who I specifically wanted to serve. And every day I wake up thinking, how can I add more value than anybody else to this individual? You must get really clear on who you serve and make sure you select somebody that you truly want to work with day in and day out. I found myself feeling like my new clients are not only clients that I'm receiving a paycheck from, but they're people that I want to be friends with, and that makes you go the extra mile for them. You don't mind so much if they hit you up on a Saturday for an emergency and they need some help. Second, let's talk about strategies to get in front of your ideal client. So I started creating extremely valuable content that showcased my expertise. That would basically be like mini how-tos on stuff that I was doing for my clients that was working really well. And this is amazing. This generated a lot of conversations, a lot of DMs, and I got in front of my ideal client, right? Because I was proving that I was an expert. I was giving them a lot of value in exchange for nothing and creating that know, like, and trust right off the bat. So if I were you, what I would do is the second step after you're clear on who your ideal customer is figure out what you're an expert at. Are you a fitness coach? Are you a life coach? Are you a VA or another agency? Or are you a videographer? And create content that shows people how to do things that you do. Now, this is where a lot of people are like, whoa, Lucy, what do you mean I'm supposed to give my content away for free? But these tips that I've spent years and years learning, why would I teach people this? Because most people are going to just use it to understand that you're an authority and then decide that they want to work with you because they don't have the time to do it themselves. Additionally, most people are not going to read every single piece of content that you put out there. And there's still a few tips that you can keep for yourself. That's like the cherry on top of working with you. But typically, I like to follow what Dan Locke says. He gives as much information away for free as possible, and he only charges for his time. And I've adopted that mentality, and that has done wonders for my business and has allowed me to double my business in the last month. So right now, how about you write down 5 to 10 things that you're amazing at, and all the frequently asked questions that you get from clients, from prospective clients. Start to write content on that. Pause this video if you want here and start to brain dump ideas of what you can write about and what you can educate people on. And give away the good stuff. Literally, do not be worried about people not needing you, because people will always come to you. You'll always be learning new tips every day because you have your hands in the pie. I don't even know if that's a saying, but you know what I mean, right? You are every day learning more and crafting your skills and evolving your process. So give away as much free content and you'll be amazed at how many conversations are started from this. Create a freebie or a free masterclass or something where you're actually training people and giving them valuable advice for what they can do next. Sort of like this video, right? Like you're gonna actually walk away from this video with actionable tips on what you can do to grow your business immediately. Give people those goodies and ask for their email in exchange. This has allowed me to build my email extremely quickly the last few months. So give away stuff that's going to over deliver. I can't tell you how many freebies out there are absolute crap because people are holding back what they are truly best at because it's free. But if you give a mouse a cookie, they're gonna come back for more, right? So give some good stuff that people are like, wow, this girl or guy is amazing. They clearly know their craft. I wanna work with them. Or, oh my God, I have a friend that might wanna work with them. This is amazing. Let me refer them. You've created that know, like, and trust, which I've talked about before. It's so, so important. Then the next step is, so you're posting on social media. I would also like you to be using Facebook groups. There are literally groups for everything. Post once a day. Repurpose your content from your social media and put it into groups. You're not reinventing the wheel here. You're, just repurposing your content, so it's not going to take you all day. So many people think, oh my God, social media, it's going to take me all freaking day. It doesn't have to if you're repurposing your content. I'll even take amazing pieces of content that I've created that have gotten a ton of engagement and create emails from it that's reaching some people that are in my email list that aren't necessarily following me, and I've created sales from that. Another strategy that I've also employed recently is a $1 strategy call where, again, I'm giving a ton of value. And is my time worth way more than $1? Hell yeah. But I make people put up the credit card because I want to make sure that they are going to show up. Honestly, I'd rather not get 67 cents after processing fees, but I need to know that people are serious about showing up. And then on that call, I provide so much value for them that they're begging me practically at the end to work with me. So these are some strategies. Ask for the referral. Another amazing strategy that I've had, I have a vision board of people that I want to work with, people that are my ideal client, which I highly recommend. Create a top 100 list of people that you would absolutely love to work with, okay? And then create a strategy to reach out to those individuals. You would not believe how far a DM on Instagram voice note can go, or a video. I've landed some of the top clients that I've been dreaming of working with that have hundreds of thousands, nearly millions of followers from a DM. I at first was shocked, sending it, no way they're gonna respond to me. They did. So make sure you're not just deciding that you're out of the game before you even try. Okay, so this next step is really good. Are you ready? once you've sent the DM, and what the DM should sound like is, hey, Jackie, I noticed that you're doing X really well. I love your brand. It's amazing. But I noticed these few opportunities. Would you be interested in me putting together a more thorough guide or video on, the opportunities that I see for your brand? And they're gonna say, yes, Becca, that's so sweet. I would absolutely love that. How about you email it, or let's jump on a call. So you're gonna either email them. I've emailed them Loom videos that are like 3 to 4 minutes with, here's some quick tips that you can implement to see results right away. And then after that, I say, this is who I am and this is who I help. If you can refer me to anyone, please let me know. And you're not making the hard sale. You're just saying, this is what I do, so making sure, and I'd love for you to refer me. And 9 times out of 10 for me, that has worked to them saying, oh, we're actually interested, let's book a call. So this strategy is foolproof. I hope you guys have felt like I've given you a lot of great tips. These tips have single-handedly brought me 6 figures so far this year in business. So I know that they are really amazing if you use them. Let me know below what you think, what your biggest takeaway was from this video. And as always, if you found value from it, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will also have a guide below in my bio with additional tips and tricks for growing your revenue. But guys, if I can do this during coronavirus, these strategies work all the time, and a lot of it really is your mindset. Because if I woke up in the morning thinking, I'm SOL today, nobody's gonna buy my stuff, that's gonna become your reality. So cut down, do these tips, wake up with an amazing attitude, dance a little, get in an amazing mood, and show up and kill it, because people need what you have to offer, and there is a unique quality in you that the world needs to see. So thanks guys, I hope you have an amazing day. Talk to you soon.